Hi everyone, I'm going to walk us through Croy chapter 24, the English to Greek sentences, and this is number 4. Because I believe in the Lord, I do not fear the rulers of this earth. One of the first things I think it's good to note in a sentence like this is that phrases like because or in order to indicate subordinate clauses. The easiest way to show what a subordinate clause is to note what a major clause is, the primary clause. I do not fear. There's a sentence already. I do not fear. A subject and a verb. And we have a direct object. I do not fear the rulers of this earth. The first half of the sentence, because, indicates the reason, but it needn't be there to get a complete sentence. I think it's easiest if we start with the main clause. So I do not fear. Our verb is phabeomai, and remember that omai indicates a contract verb. So we memorize the vocabulary form phabeomai, but we'll never see it look like that. That epsilon contract merges with the O of amai and gives us phabumai. This is a deponent verb, so we have to use the middle passive endings. U phabumai, I do not fear. The rulers of this earth, that's pretty easy for you at this point. We need an accusative for the direct object of to fear. Tous archontos, third declension, from ha archon. And we want to say the rulers of what? The rulers of the earth. So we want the earth in the genitive, tes geis. And to say this, we use the demonstrative tautes in the feminine, in the genitive, so that it agrees with tes geis, the earth. You could also say, you could put tautes before tes geis, tautes tes geis. All right, let's come back to the first part of the sentence. Because I believe in the Lord. There are several ways you could do this in Greek, but since we're practicing infinitives in this chapter, we're going to use a preposition plus the relevant case. And in this case, the preposition we're going to want is dia plus the accusative, which means because of or for the sake of. So we're going to take dia plus the infinitive form of the verb. And we can do this with or without the article. It's more idiomatic in Greek to use the article. So we want the accusative, and because the infinitive is a neuter noun, the infinitive article will be ta. Because of the to believe. Because of the to believe. What's the difference between these two verbs? This is present active infinitive. This is aorist active infinitive. Either would be okay in this case. And how are we going to represent the I, the subject of this verb? Well, the subject of the infinitive is always in the accusative case. So we want to say because of the me believing. Because I believe. How are we going to say in the Lord? Well, with the verb to believe, whatever rules we learn for a verb, like if a verb requires a particular case or it likes to be followed by a certain preposition, those rules still apply when we use the infinitive. So we have learned that pisteuo can take ace and the accusative when we want to say I believe in something. I believe in Santa Claus. Ace plus the accusative. And we can use pisteuo plus the dative when we want to say I trust X. I trust the Lord. In this case, because it's I believe in, we'll probably use ace in the accusative. So pisteuo ace plus the accusative ton kurion. So all together, dia ta pistauein me. Because of the me believing, because I believe, ace ton kurion in the Lord, u phabumai, I do not fear the rulers of this earth.